Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna be making this assumptions meal. This is the best meal, like the most this is the healthiest meal you've had in a long while. I'm not even capping about this. Jamie, let's make this healthy, delicious yam porridge, like vegetable yam porridge. So I have my ingredients here already. I have my tomato paste, I have the crayfish, I have the red crayfish, I have onions. So and you can see my vegetables, you can see some plantain, you can see some meat, like they call this bokoto. So it's some part of the cow meat where like the fruits, the ham, those kind of part, those part of the cow meat. And I have this roasted fish here, as you can see. So these are my ingredients, and also I have the pepper, my fresh pepper. So here is my pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, and some tomatoes. And you can see this vegetable. This is called ugu. I don't even know the English name for this, but all I do know is it's called ugu. It's called vegetable actually, but the local name is ugu. And I have some ripe and unripe plantain here. I have cut it, and I'm gonna be adding it to my yam porridge. And as I mentioned earlier, this is the red crayfish, the onions, the white crayfish, and this part of the cow meat where they use that part of the cow meat for pepper soup actually, for those that knows about it. So here's my table set. And look at how beautiful this is looking already. I don't want to play with this. Like, you don't want to miss this. So let's proceed to do the quick work. Like, let's go right into the major work, like the cooking. Let's do the magic, and you guys are gonna enjoy it. Just stay tuned with me to the end of this video. So now I'm gonna be grating my pepper. As you can see, I have my grater. I don't want to blend this. I'm not blending this because if I'm to blend this, I'm gonna be adding some water, and I don't want to do that. Just want that that's just that pepper and the tomatoes and that's it. So you can see I'm using my grater, and yeah, I'm trying to debone my fish. The roasted fish, I will have to remove the bone from it and trash the bone, and what we need is the main fish. One thing about this roasted fish is this: it has a very nice taste. Fresh fish, you roast it, that smoky taste, and that's it. You understand? Don't worry. So I'm having my roasted fish. I'm deboning it, trying to just remove the fish from it, from the bone rather. So we have the yam here. I'm trying to cut my yam into chunks, and you can see I've cut some into chunks already, and I'm trying to just show you how to cut the yam. Yeah, why material 1000 yards. So yes, me cutting my yam, and then you can see my yam is very white. Trust me, this yam is very sweet. I've cooked it before, as you can see. It's half yam. It's very, very sweet. Like it's really good for the for this event. So guys, you can see me with my yam, and I'll just go ahead and complete the cutting and all of that. So I'm trying to be careful with the yam, making sure the yam is being cut into like the shape I actually want it to be. So that's it. I don't know how you guys cut your yam, but you can let me know in the chat box how you cut your own yam when you want to cook porridge. Don't forget, what we are cooking today is yam, vegetable yam porridge. So, and that is why I had to do some yam cutting in chunks. So now, at the kitchen, I'm just gonna start the cooking already. You can see, lighting my gas and putting my yam on the fire and cleaning my non-stick pots and started cooking. So I'm using vegetable oil, and I'll be mixing some granite oil with it. Sorry, I'm using palm oil and granite oil. You can see I added salt to my what's it called, to my yam already, and I added the granite oil to the palm oil. So you see, I added granite oil to the palm oil. I'm using the two, and here we have my onions, and added to the hot palm oil and granite oil mixed. So you can see I'm using the two, and just adding the onions and stir it together so it can, the moment you add onions to either your palm oil or groundnut oil, the aroma is already giving. Like, it's giving already. Like, all the compound, you are cooking something. The whole of the compound will be like, what is happening here? That's the gist, actually. It's a cheat code. So I'm adding the tomato paste into the mixed oil. Yep, into the mixed oil. So here's the tomato paste. I'm trying to, they're not gonna sleep in my compound. No sleep for the weekend. That's what we're doing here. So I'm just gonna keep that aroma. I want the compound, my neighbors to come and be like, what is going on here? That's the goal. You understand? So that's the essence of adding the onions, the tomato paste. You can see how I'm adding it. One thing after the other. Yeah, that's the shit code actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my crayfish, my white crayfish, and the what's it called, the red crayfish. Those are the next in line. You can see when I was turning trying to reduce the heat, maintain some heat temperature. So that's what I'm doing here, trying to maintain a particular temperature so it doesn't overcooked or burnt or anything. I want to bring, I'm trying to. So look at me stirring. Like you can see it bringing out the look is giving already. I'm not even gonna lie. You can see it's bringing the look. So I decided to add some more oil to the granite oil. You see, it was dry, so I added more oil to it so you can have more mixture. Like more beta. So that's the essence of the additional oil. So I'm just gonna mix and let it settle, mix together. You have to do a lot of mixing here so you can have a very, very good mix. So right in there is my pepper. I'm adding my grated pepper, or is it blended pepper, whichever. So that's what I'm trying to add here, and I don't want to leave anything in that grater. I'm just going to spill out everything. You see, no wastage. I'm not wasting anything. So I bring out everything. So I'm gonna mix my pepper to the onions and the crayfish mix oil. So you can see stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. So now I'm adding in my Maggi cubes. I'm using just two Maggi cubes. Yeah. No excess, no excessive. No. I'm not doing excessive Maggi here. So I used only just two Maggi cubes and some pinch of salt. Yep. I added salt to the yam already while cooking, so I'm being careful to the amount or to the quantity of salt I'll be adding to the stew or to the sauce. Yep, to the pepper sauce. So you can see my pepper sauce. The aroma is even coming out from this video. Yeah, I said what I said. The aroma is coming out from me already. So look at that pepper sauce is giving. So adding my fish, my roasted fish into it. This is looking like a rice sauce already, like a pepper sauce for rice or spaghetti. Do you get? You don't get it? Don't worry, you get it. So look at that pepper sauce. This is giving. It's craving me to eat white rice and fried plantain. And look at my cow meat. Gosh. Gosh. I'm doing magic in this kitchen. This is magical. So So guys, look at that sauce already. Look at this pepper sauce now. Is it not? Are you not craving white rice and plantain? Are you not craving spaghetti? Hey, are you even not craving to use the yam to eat it with it like that? Huh? Tell me, mention different things you can eat with this with that pepper sauce. So I'm trying to drain my yam to drain the water out of the yam, so I don't get to have too much salt in the yam. So I'm gonna be adding some water to it. Yep, I'm gonna be adding water to it. I just don't want the salt from the yam to to stick with the yam already. So I'll add another water to it, so we can have a very succulent, perfect taste. No over salt, no under salt. That's the essence of that. So remember I said you should mention three different things you can eat with that pepper sauce that you're seeing right there. Let me know. For myself, I'll be going with white rice, plantain, spaghetti, plantain, and bread is going, boiled yam is going, boiled plantain is going. I'm giving you guys healthy meals here, healthy meals. So tell me in the comment section, what will you be eating with that pepper sauce if you are not mixing it with this yam porridge? If you are not going to be adding it to this yam to make yam porridge, what will you be mixing with this? Will you be eating with this pepper sauce? I can eat a whole lot. Boiled plantain, yep, boiled plantain, boiled yam, white rice, spaghetti, bread, and everything you can mention. So let me know what you can eat with this with that pepper sauce. So I've smashed my yam and I'm gonna be adding this pepper. God, I'm so like waiting. This pepper sauce is giving. It's giving. Gosh. I love this. I love this. I wish you guys are here. Do you know my location? You can come over. I have a plate left for one follower. So I'm just gonna see I added the boiled plantain last. I didn't cook it with the yam because the plantain is already ripe, and overcooking can just make it just I still want to be feeling that plantain taste, like I'm eating yam, just like we have the yam in chunks too. I still want to be feeling the taste of the plantain inside. I don't want it much, and that's why I didn't cook it alongside with the yam from the beginning. So you can see I'm just gonna do some mixing here. This mixing. So you're gonna have a thorough mixing so everything can go in right there. So here is it. I So here is it. You can see what we're having. This is much, and we still have some chunks inside. And now I am pouring in my last ingredient, which is the vegetable, the ugu, locally called ugu. It's called vegetable actually, but the local name is called ugu. Can you see that? So I'm just gonna mix in my ugu last. And those from the eastern part of Nigeria, we understand where I'm coming from with this vegetable yam porridge. Those from the eastern part of Nigeria, we understand that this is the main deal. Like, yep. So yeah, is it? I've done a whole lot of mixing in this with this yam porridge already. I'm just trying to see like everything has to blend in. I don't want to be eating some parts and I'm having yam, I'm having these things separately. Everything has to go in the proper mixing. So if you are cooking this meal, be ready to do a proper mixing while cooking. Yep. Yep. As you can see. So guys, yeah, my porridge, my healthy vegetable porridge is ready. It's ready. So I'm just gonna serve, like I'm celebrating already. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm just gonna dish some and have a taste already. Like, look at it now. Let me know in the chat box if you will be trying out this if you've had this before. How often do you eat it? If you'll be trying out, if this is your first time of seeing another method to cook yam porridge. Let me know what you think. And guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Please support. Thank you. So you see, it is done. It is ready. It is ready. It is ready. It is ready. So I'm gonna be dishing to my plate, and I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry. So let me just quench the hunger already. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Let me know if you'll be trying this, if you've added this before. Just let me know. Let me know what you think about this meal. Do you like it? Is it something you'll be trying? And guys, please like, subscribe, share this video, support. Thank you guys once again. So baby girl is having a bite already. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you guys on the next one. Peace out.